All right, let's get this match started in 3, 2, 1, go.
Autonomous mode underway in qualification match number 3. All 4 robots once again here on field 1, looking for various game elements to score. 3 samples, now 4, quickly making their way up into the red basket, up in that high basket for 8 points apiece. Pink robot in the back, that's 86-90. Free the Scarabs, quickly scoring some yellow neutral samples in that basket as well. 5 seconds left in our auto mode as 4 specimens make their way up to the high chamber.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Just in the nick of time, 5 specimens now on that high chamber. 10 points each for each of those specimens on the Red Alliance high chamber. That's going to make our live score 175 to 87 now at the 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining mark here in our match. Once again, still plenty of time for samples and specimens to make their way up on the board. 2 robots vying for samples in the submersible zone as the hooks fly up for 17077. That's Adna Robotics. Might not be completely intentional, but they'll go ahead and try to score another sample in the net zone, actually up in the baskets in the corner of the field. 8 points as they keep cycling back and forth, hooks or not. But they'll have to vie for those samples with 86-90 free the Blue Alliance. That's the Scarabs. They're also getting defended by their Red Alliance partner, or actually not even defense. That Red Alliance partner trying to reach in for some samples as well in that submersible zone. Gonna be tough for all of our teams to navigate around a chaotic submersible zone, trying to get some space while also not blocking or pinning any of their opposing alliance members. More samples making their way up into the high basket for our Red Alliance. Once again from Adna Robotics, they come back with yet another sample, another good 8 points on the board for them. Their score currently above 250, currently 267 to 135, and those numbers just keep going on up as we approach endgame. Many specimens up on the high chamber for the Red Alliance as 24131, the Minutemen. They keep cycling back and forth from the observation zone where their human player keeps assembling those specimens. 305 now to 161. We've crossed the 300 mark with, if I'm reading that right, 10 specimens on the high chamber, and they're going for a climb. Whoa, a giant swing through the submersible. Well, it looks good for now. Spooking some of our referees there, but that seemingly is up on that high rung. But our referees, once again, will need to validate that and everything else on the field on that live scoreboard. But we now have our final results here in qualification match number 3. Up on the board they go. Red Alliance will take the victory in that match with an event high score of the afternoon, 348 to 224. No foul points added to that Red Alliance score. Excellent work there from both alliances in that match, and especially for great work on that high score. We'll see if we can top that score in our next match, qualification match number 4 over here on field number 2.